Solving exponential equations. So in this chapter, to find the value of x in this exponential, let us see some problems. Let's start with easy ones first. 9 into 3 to the power x is equals to 27 to the power 2x minus 5. So in this question, solve. That means you have to find the value of the x in this. Right? There's a problem. So we need to make the base equal for the both sides, or else first you have to simplify. 9 we can write 3 square, and this is 3 power x. 27 is 3 power 3, again whole to the power 2x minus 5. So LHS is 3 to the power 2 plus x, and RHS 3 to the power 3 into 2x minus 5. Now whenever the bases are same, then equate the powers. So then 2 plus x is equals to 3 into 2x minus 5. This is the formula. When a power m is equals to a power n, then m is equal to n. Whenever the base is same, then equate the powers. So we can simplify this. 2 plus x is equal to 3 2 is 6x minus 3 5 is 15. Take x terms one side, and that is 5x. X take that side, minus 15. That is equal to 17. Then from this, x is equal to 17 divided by 5, 3 2 by 5 in mixed fraction. This is one type. And one more question you see in this same. Square root of 3 by 5 all to the power 1 minus 2x is equals to values given 4, 17 by 27. This you have to solve it. So you have to simplify both first. That means 3 by 5 it is asked is. So 3 by 5 all to the power 1 minus 2x. If you remove the square root, no, that is to the power again 1 by 2 is equals to 4 17 by 27. Mixed fraction convert into improper. There is 125 by 27. You'll get the same base while solving. Now 3 by 5 all to the power. Multiply the powers. 1 minus 2x by 2. Same way check. Can you make 125 and 27 some power 3 or 3 as 3 and 5 base? Yes, we can make. 125 is 5 cube by 27 is 3 cube. That's nothing but 5 by 3 whole cube. But we need 3 by 5. So what we should take if you do reciprocal? 3 by 5 whole to the power minus 3. 5 by 3 power 3, right? So 3 by 5 whole power minus 3. Now bases are same if you observe. Then equate the powers. Therefore 1 minus 2x by 2 is equals to minus 3. Bases are same. You can equate the powers. So 1 minus 2x is equal to minus 6. Then 2x take right side, minus 6 other side. So it's a minus 6 plus 6. No? So 7 it is. That means x is equal to 7 by 2. It's a 3.5. Okay. So this is one type solving. Continue one more sum. Question is solve 2 to the power 2x plus 3 minus 9 into 2 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 0. Let us simplify this first. 2 to the power m power, like a power m plus n. That means a power m into a power n. So 2 to the power 2x into 2 to the power 3. You separate this. Minus 9 into 2 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 0. And 2 power 2x, we can write 2 power x whole square into 2 cube is 8. Minus 9 into 2 power x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here let 2 to the power x is equal to take some letter y, because you are getting quadratic equation if you observe. In the place of 2 power x you can take y. Then 8y square. Okay, y square into 8. 8y square minus 9y plus 1 is equal to 0. This you have to factorize now. So factorization is started now. 8y square minus, split the middle term, minus 8y minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Factorization only are doing here. Then take 8y is a common, y minus 1 minus 1 is a common, y minus 1 is equal to 0. Finally you'll get y minus 1 into 8y minus 1 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 1 or y is equals to 1 by 8. But actually y is nothing but 2 power x. So you can take now. Therefore 2 to the power x is equal to 1 or 2 to the power x is equal to 1 by 8. You can solve from this both. Here is 2 power x is 1. So any number power 0 is only 1. So x is equal to 0. Or 2 power x is equals to 2 power minus 3, because 1 by 8 is 2 power minus 3. That means x is equals to minus 3. X is minus 3 or x is equal to 0. This is the solving. And combination of the equations will show one problem. Now the question is, if, see this problem, 2 to the power x is equals to 4 into 2 to the power y, and two equations in this, 9 into 3 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power minus y. So find the value of x and y. Find value of x comma y you have to solve now. So first one, that is 2 to the power x is equals to 4 into 2 to the power y. From this, the solution part, 2 to the power x is equals to 4, we can write 2 square into 2 to the power y. That's equals 2 to the power 2 plus y. So base is equal now, so x is equals to 2 plus y. Let be equation 1. And next part, 9 into 3 power x is equal to 3 power minus y. That means 9 we can write 3 square into 3 power x is equal to 3 power minus y. That is 3 power 2 plus x is equal to 3 power minus y. That is 2 plus x is equals to minus y. Equation 2. Now by solving or elimination method 1 and 2, we'll get x and y values. So x is equal to 2 plus y. 2 plus x is equal to minus y. So 1 in equation 2 you substitute now. 2 plus, instead of x I am writing 2 plus y. In the place of x you write 2 plus y is equals to minus y. Just to solve this. That is 2y is equals to minus 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. Take right side. Then y is equals to minus 2 we got. Y value minus 2. Y value substitute in equation 1. So from 1, x is equals to 2 plus y value minus 2. That is 0. So x is equal to 0 and y is equals to minus 2. So anything, the main important thing is in chapter, first you can make the base is same, this last topic. To solving, equate the bases, then equal the powers. If the powers are equal, then make equate the bases and solve and simplify. So first basic properties, that exponent, product and quotient rule you should know, power rule. Along with that, based on those formulas only, we can simplify in this topic, right? And those are watching the first time, you can subscribe to our channel to solve the content in order, to go through the chapters in order. You can subscribe and continue the, working on this.